Uh-oh, Milo doesn't want to clean up. Toys are everywhere in the bright classroom. Mrs. NEELU, with a kind smile, announced, "Clean up time!" Milo, a little boy with a mischievous grin, crossed his arms firmly. He stomped his foot and declared, "No!" Suddenly, Milo accidentally stepped on a toy car, letting out a surprised, "Ouch!" Mrs. NEELU knelt beside him, gently showing him how to organize the toys quickly. She demonstrated how to put blocks in one bin and cars in another. Milo, still a bit hesitant, started picking up toys slowly at first. Then, seeing how easy it was, he began to clean up faster and faster. Mrs. NEELU beamed, saying, "Cleaning up keeps us safe and happy, Milo." Milo, now smiling brightly, finished cleaning with excitement and pride. Do you clean your toys after playing? Follow NEELU Wonderville for more fun adventures and lessons.